Hi guys, how are you? Today I have a big box in my hand. Let's see what is it. Hi guys, my name is Onis and today I'm going to unbox a very special train which is in the box. So let's start the unboxing. I ordered it through Amazon. If you want to buy, the links are in the description. You can buy it from Amazon store. To unbox it, we have to cut the sellotape here. The packing is super. Here you can see our main thing. At first we have here its bill. Here is our main box of this train. You can see here the box quality also good. The box is empty now. At first I am showing you its box. Here you can see the actual trains. Here you can see it's another color variant. It comes with two colors. One is red and one is blue. And we have the red train. On the other side of this box you can see here how to assemble it, how its tracks assemble to each other, and how to join its bogies and everything. Here you can see many specifications. One thing I am telling you, the quality is very good. I can feel it. I think we have to cut the sellotapes. Yes. Now you can open the box. Here you can see our all things, that is tracks and our trains. At first I am showing you its track. You can see here the tracks quality also good. You will get a long track here. We have two bundles of tracks. Let's keep it aside, and here is our main thing, which is bogies and its main engine. At first I am showing you its engine. Wow, you can see here the engine is so realistic. This is the main power wheel of this train, and here we can see here is bogies, which is also very good. Bogies are also very realistic. So let's start the assembling of this track. Now I am showing you how to assemble the tracks. You have to take two tracks like that and simply push it like that. The tracks are connected. Guys, the track is ready. You can see here we connected the each and every track properly. You can see here. Guys, I am so disappointed because this screw is not opening. I gave my 100% effort, but this screw is not opening. You can see here. Even I broke my screwdriver. Oof, finally we broke it. You have to insert two double-SH batteries in the train. Here you can see the train is working now. I think here is on-off switch. Yes, the train has a very beautiful flashlight on the front. Alright guys, everything is ready. Let's go.
You can see the riding on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.